Okay friends, in this video we will see the exception handling using Python. So let us see what is exception. Actually exception is the event that occur after the execution of the program and throw the errors during the normal execution of program. And here in the Python the exception is actually an object which is representing the errors. Let us see some of the exceptions you can find in so many programming language. So here some of the exceptions like IO error, input output error, zero division errors, key error, overflow error, floating point error, and something like arithmetic error, index error, name error, unbound local error. So many exceptions are here, inbuilt exceptions. So first of all we see handling and exceptions. So I am highlighting, you see that there is a some block we have to write for handling the exception. So that is try block, excepts, then exception 1, exception 2, and similarly you can put any number of exceptions here, and finally the else part will execute. This block will execute only if no exceptions occurs. That is, if no any exceptions are occurs during the program, then that else will execute. So this is the normal flow or normal structure of the exception handling. So let us see some programs in our Python how this exception will occur. So in this program you will see that I am using this program. So we will open the Python and we will open new files, and I am pasting here the program. You see this program, I am written the try block and I am opening some file in write mode and I am writing something. If there is an error in writing, then this error IO error will execute. If there is no any error, then this else part will execute. So let us see the program is executing properly or not. So first you have to save the program. So I am saving this by 123.py. It is saved. I am running. So whenever I run the program, then it will output that the content returned successfully. Why? Let us see. We go to the Python 27. So here you will find abc dot see. So yes, you see that hello welcome to learn that today. That means whatever I want to write, that will be successfully written. So no errors occurs. But suppose that I will modify this program. I will modify this program for some time. Like in this program, I will open the file in read mode and try to write. And suppose that this is my program. Now I will open the file in read mode and I will write. So this is obviously this is the error. I am opening the file in reading mode, but I want to write something. So obviously it will give some errors. So let us see it will giving the errors or not. Here I will put input output error, that I will copy from here. Writing is not possible. Control C, and here I will do. Let us see, I saving this file and running. So here you will see writing is not possible, because why this error occurs? Because I open the file in read mode and I want to writing something. So obviously it will throw the error, and that error will be received by the IO error exceptions, and it will display writing is not possible. So this is one of the program or one of the demo program for the exception handling. And again again we will see next try finally close. First of all we see what are the finally close. Actually finally close, finally block is a place to put any code that must be execute whether the try block raised an exception or not. No matter whether the exception is occurring or not, it will execute anytime. So let us see, we will again copy the program and we will here write control P. So this is my program where I am opening some file and I am opening some file in read mode and I am writing something. So let us see what happened. So here you see that finally block will execute. this block must execute, but it will giving the error, file not open for writing, but finally block is executed, this block must execute. That means finally block will always execute whether your program is throwing error or not. Now I change some same thing in the program, that I have written here W in place of the R. Let us see what happened. In this mode also our program will execute and the finally block will execute, but it will not give the error because now our program is right, because I am opening the file in write mode and I am writing something. So this is another example of finally. And let us see the final program of something different. Like the program I have written here, you see that I am taking the input num1 and num2 and I am dividing the num1 divided by num2 and the result will display, and I am handling the 0 division error. Suppose that in the runtime user input the 0 in for the num2, then it will be raise the error, otherwise not. So let us see what happened. Run module. I am here I am here giving the number 56 78. So it will result 0 because 156 by 78 it will result 0, but another again I will run module. I will give 56 then 0. So you see that it will displaying the 0 divide error. I am entering the, so first in the first run you see that the result is already no error, but the result is 0. But the second thing, I am trying to divide that 56 by 0. So obviously it is the wrong, because we cannot divide any number by 0. So it will displaying the 0 division. So thank you friends. If you like my videos, then please don't forget to share don't forget to share, like and subscribe my video. You can see my you can see the subscribe button below the below the video in red color. Thank you friends.